Debate must change. It cannot continue to be about the leaders of Kenya, their positions, their interests, their issues. It must be about the 47 million of us, the 6 million young people who today are languishing because they don't have jobs, the 17 million Kenyans who live below the poverty line. How we will change Kenya so that it benefits the majority and not the few. That debate, ladies and gentlemen, must change. It cannot. It is immoral that we continue to have a one-sided debate, a one-sided conversation about leaders, about their interests, about their children, about their progress. When are we going to have a discussion about those living in poverty and the people who don't have jobs and the many who cannot feed their families? That is the debate we need to have a conversation about. Tunaelewana? Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie, we are going to change this debate. This is the election, this is the moment that we are going to change the discussion, the conversation, the issues in Kenya. We have no two ways about it. We've had this for too long.